Hey everyone, it's Justin from AssetRemix. I wanted to take a few minutes and walk you through how to create and edit people in our AssetRemix asset management system. Once you are inside our system, if you click on the People's tab, it will bring you to this page right here. Once you are here, you can click on this button right here and we'll give you three options to create people. You can create a single user using this one. You can create multiple users at one time using the bulk create, or you can download a template to input your information on your users into a CSV file, and then click this upload button, select that file from your document and upload it into the system and map it to where it goes exactly where you need to do. For the purpose of this, I'm going to go ahead and create a single user. All right, we're going to name this person Kyle. All right, as you can see, there are 4 fields that are required. All right, you have first name, last name, email, and then a password for the person. All right, that's the only things that you need to get this person up and going. The other fields allow you to assign a department to the person if you have departments, or you can click the View Assigned Items Only button, and that will give the person the permissions to only see the items that they have assigned to them. If you need to email the user anything from inside the system, you can click this and it will allow you to do so on that. I'm going to go ahead and click next. It's going to bring me to this permissions page right here. This happens if you do not select View Assigned Items Only, and lets you pick exactly what you want this person to have access to be able to do in the system. I'm going to give this person check in and check out options. Go ahead and click next, and it's going to bring me to this page right here. Here, it's going to allow you to add any custom values for your users that you need. So if you track employee ID numbers or anything like that, you can create those in this screen right here and upload those with that person. I'm going to go ahead and click next, and it's going to bring me to our final page right here. Here, you're just going to check all the information that you've entered, make sure it's all correct, and as soon as you've done that, you're going to hit save. It's going to create the person. It's going to take you back to the people's page right here. All right, and that's how you create a single user in our AssetRemix asset management system. All right, the next step we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and edit a person. So you're going to click the button right here. It's going to bring you back to this first page, and you've got your first name, last name, email, the department, and then a restricted access right here. So you're able to edit the first name and the last name. However, you're not able to change the email for this person. You're also able to change the departments. For the purpose of this, I'm going to change the department on this one. Now I'm going to give this person assigned items only access. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And as you can see, it's going to skip the permissions page because they already had multiple permissions. It's going to go to the custom values. If you need to add any more custom values at this time, you're able to do that. All right, I'm not going to add any custom values. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And it's going to take me back to this final page right here where I can review all this information. As soon as you make sure everything's correct, go ahead and click Update User. It's going to update that information for you and bring you back to this page. All right. For more information on how to operate our AssetRemix asset management system, please check out the links below.